The way this can be addressed is through certain legacy planning functions as it pertains to social media. There's options with Facebook, Instagram, all these social media things where you can actually designate somebody as a legacy person to take over should you pass away. That's one really effective way that portion can be handled. We give our clients instructions on how to do that if they'd like to do that on the back end. Other things that come up are things like Bitcoin and digital wallets. And so it's really important that somebody know where to access your digital assets and how to access them. You can either safely store passwords somewhere in a safe or with your trust or other important documents, or you can use something like a password vault. There's various different companies that now do this where you can have basically one password for all of your passwords, and all of your accounts run through this one vault. And again, you can leave an instruction for somebody you trust or leave it with your estate planning documents that this is the sort of golden password that once you're in through this one, you've got all access to all of my other accounts. The one big benefit of something like a password vault is it updates. So if you were to perhaps give somebody your passwords today, those may not be the same passwords that you have in 5 years or 10 years. If you use something like a vault password, it'll hold on to that information and update it as you go, so it does continue beyond providing that password. A lot of different options. They are very specific to the user. Some people may have really valuable social media. Maybe they have a very valuable Instagram or TikTok. And so it's important that that is not overlooked in the estate plan so that we can transfer those assets correctly to the right person. We've also encountered situations where people have intellectual property, and that may be stored either on their phone or very often on a personal computer. Well, that's a problem if you have a business, for instance, that relies on the intellectual property that you have on your personal computer and nobody else can log in. So you do have to account for all of these contingencies and the impact it's going to have if you're gone and not able to access things and log into phones and computers when you're gone. If you're ready to move forward with your estate plan, give us a call, 408-296-3700. You can also find us on our website, www.ferglawgroup.com, and we look forward to speaking with you.